We're gonna go trick someone that's Halloween, and it's been Tuesday, so we're gonna go knock on that door and say trick or treat and see what they say. Which I'm gonna be like, laughing my head off. So yeah. So let's see if they answer, and then I think it's my cousin. Really? Do you know these people?
No.
Just go. You don't need to do it. Go. Jordan, before your mom gets out of the restroom. Jordan.
Huh? Trick or treat.
Okay, I'm gonna comment for more.